Hey y'all, it's Molly Cule here. We're ready to do a science experiment today. For those who don't remember me, I'm Molly Cule, and you might know my very famous aunt, Aunt Viv, Aunt Valerie, what am I saying? That's her sister Viv. Aunt Valerie, who you guys all know as Miss Frizzle. So she taught me a lot about science, and I'm sharing with you. So today, what we're going to do, y'all, we're going to do a science experiment together. I'm so excited. So the first thing we're going to do is we have a question, and we have to think it through. So are you ready? Good job, y'all. So here we go. What will happen to ice water when it's put in the sun? And what's going to happen to it when it's in the shade? So that's one thing you all have to think about right now. And you have to start making your thoughts. That's your hypothesis. We talked about this before. Your hypothesis is what you think is going to happen. And then you actually have to do it. So I'm going to set it all up here for you at Evergreen. I'm here on the kindergarten playground, and I have a cup, 2 cups of ice water. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these out. One's going to be over by Miss B's room, and one we're going to put, I'm going to turn you this way a little bit. We're going to put on the playground. I'm going to put it right up here for y'all in the sun. And then this one, y'all, is going to go in the shade. See how I just walked into the shade and it looks darker? And this is going to go on the ground over here. Let me fix it so y'all can see it. It's way down there. Can you see it now, y'all? Yes, you can. Okay, y'all. I will see you back here at 3:30. Now, we're going to do a very special whole group meeting, y'all. We are going to do all the kindergartners are going to come back at 3:30. And you're going to have to use a special code. And then we're going to find out what happens. Make sure you have your science book on seasons and weather. And you have this page ready, but don't do anything to it yet because y'all haven't seen what happens with the water in the sun and the water in the shade. And I'm going to share all that with you, and we're going to talk about what happened and how to fill the rest of this all out. So y'all have a great morning. I'll see you back here at 3:30.